Hello beautiful people, thank you for watching this video today. I'm going to be sharing a smell nice hack for you today. So if you want to smell nice for less, this is the video to watch. So sometimes we buy perfumes, you spend a lot of money in buying your perfume, you spend like about $100 or more most times to buy your perfume. I wonder that at the end of the day the smell would have evaporated, or you just don't even know. It still smells good, but you're wondering like this should have lasted longer than I expected. So I'm just going to share this hack with you. I've done this before, but this would lead me into the part 2. So I've got my perfume here and I've got this petroleum jelly here. So for people that know, they know that if you want to apply your perfume and you want it to last longer for 24 to 48 hours, just take your Vaseline or your petroleum jelly and just dab a bit of it and apply it on your pressure points. So the pressure point is where you normally apply your perfume, right? So let's say my inner wrist, the back of my hairs, my neck will be all the places I will apply my perfume. So I would have applied my petroleum jelly there first, then I go ahead and I apply my perfume there like so. So this will make it last a longer time than when you just apply the perfume without applying petroleum jelly. What this petroleum jelly does for you is that it traps the perfume, it traps the fragrance, and it keeps it on lockdown. So it does not go anywhere, it stays there and you feel fresher, you smell nicer for longer. So when people hug you, when you go anywhere, you can be sure that your perfume stays there all day. So this leads me to my number 2, or the second part of this hack. This is when you use perfume oils. Like I discovered the use of perfume oils just about a year ago. I'll be sincere, I just latched onto it and I've been like, where has this been all my life? The reason why I like perfume oils so much is this tiny bottle is about 12 ml. It looks like a little, but trust me, a little goes a long way. I think when you combine some oils with your perfume, just the way we combine the petroleum jelly with the perfume, it lasts a lot longer than when it's just the spirits that just evaporates. We know the way the science works behind it. Oil will definitely keep it tracked down for a lot longer than when it's just the perfume. So if you've never been using perfume oil before, I implore you and I enjoy you to start using it right now. I discovered this some months ago when I was in Dubai, because I noticed that I asked someone and they were like, how come, which kind of fragrance are you wearing that this smells so nice? And the person told me that I should just get the perfume oil. I can't even remember the brand I started with, but I got this ones from someone on Instagram. You can ask her for yours, Zenith Organics, and I got these 2 brands, Leather and the one by D&G, and trust me, I've been using it for a long time and it's still there. So it's just the same way you apply your perfume on a normal day. Just apply it to your pressure points, apply it to your inner wrist, the back of your ears, your elbows, behind your kneecap and everything, and you're good to go. This is a normal spray mist. I got this from Bath & Body, the American brand Bath & Body. So I just go ahead and I just apply on those places where I apply the perfume oil. Trust me, these brands don't cost a lot. This I bought for less than like $20. The perfume oil was less than, if I convert it, was less than $20. But this smell lingers on for a long time. In fact, every time I go out, and I'm not using the very expensive brands, people ask me that, oh, what did you use to like my fragrance? I'm just telling you this too, that for some of us that like to lay on our fragrances, don't just lay on anything like that. You need to know how to lay on your fragrance so that it stays at bay, it keeps that way. So I'll tell you that whenever you want to lay on your fragrance, use like the perfume oil first before you lay on any other thing, so that when time the smell starts going off, you have something underneath that still stays there. So this is a hack that I discovered, and I do this and I go on for the day and everybody compliments me that I smell nice. So if you want to smell nice too, I will advise you to either use petroleum jelly or just simply grab your perfume oil. It costs a lot less, trust me, and you get so much more from this. The name of the Instagram handle where I got this particular perfume oils from is Zenith Organics. I'll leave a description below, so if you want, you can check it out and just order yours. Thank you for watching this video today. If you enjoyed this video, kindly share. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more amazing videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Stay beautiful. Bye.